This
is pellet grills in 60 seconds. Pellet grills, also called pellet smokers, come in all shapes and sizes, but the basics are the same.
pellet grills use a compressed wood in the form of a pellet as a fuel source. These pellets are then fed into an auger. An igniter rod will then start the flame, and a fan pushes the smoke upwards to spread the heat throughout the grill. Here's where the magic comes in. The controller will monitor and regulate this whole process, and based on what temperature you have selected, make the adjustments accordingly.
The result is convenient and consistent grilling, baking, and smoking, all with real wood flavor at the push of a button. No more tending to a fire for hours upon hours to get that low and slow flavor.
Beyond the basics, here at Grilla Grills, we design and engineer our grills to be best in class. That means we have double wall construction, heavy gauge stainless steel, and rock solid components.
These are just a few examples of what sets us apart from our competitors.
Grilla Grills, lasting durability, one-to-one service from our family to yours. Shop Jungle Direct today at grillagrills.com.